The quarantiners put down your Playboy skill? You were the number one of the gym? You hooked up, everything breathed, but now no more? Don't desperate. It's ready for you. How hooks up your wife in quarantine? How hooks up your wife in quarantine will help you to seduce your wife, awakening the dormant passions. Learn the right sentences to break the ice.
Sweetie, are you waiting for someone? I come home to make breakfast here. It's possible that we ever meet here.
Take advantage of favorable opportunities.
Pull it off from here. Case or destiny.
Please let me go to the bathroom.
Netflix. I have it too.
You will learn phrases worthy of the best Shakespeare.
You are the missing song that I was waiting for a life.
With a full chapter on how chatting up in the fruit department.
Are you looking for a mature banana? Do you think this potato is mature? That remind you something, this sound?
How hooks up your wife in quarantine? A complete word that will teach you the most modern seduction techniques.
It's already a month that we know. I want to invite you outside to the restaurant.
But we can go out.
Weekend, it's a word that doesn't exist in my vocabulary.
With 100% guaranteed results.
It's cool. I'm tired. I want to go to sleep.
By you or by me?
How hooks up your wife in quarantine, and you two can finally say,
Oh my God. Oh my. Can you stop it, please? I want to sleep. Oh my God.
What about the premium account?